Alrighty, I'm trying to record a video of a trade here and I'm all messed up because I haven't done it for a while. Let's move forward here, read the disclaimer, stop the video. It's in the description of the video if you want to watch read the disclaimer. Know that read this and I'll give you a little time to read that and then we'll move on to the trade real quick. Alrighty, I hope that's enough. Alright. And it's done moved pretty good little ways on me. I had trouble getting the thing up there for it. Get all the legal stuff out of the way. Assume all trades are SIMs as well. Okay, I'm in the what's it called? The micro Emini S&P. And the reason now the stock market just opened. It is Wednesday, the 15th of May, 2019, and it just now went past 9:30. The stock market opened at 9:30 here, Eastern time. All right. That said, let me get this out of the way. Let me find a. Let me pause and getting a day chart up here. Alrighty. Now you see my daily videos and stuff. Now if price gets down in here, in an area where price fell before, this is an area where I would look to take a trade to go long right in here. I prefer it down in this area here instead. And it looks like it's working against me there. I can see already. But this is the reason I took the trade. It was in an area where I'd like to take the trade. If I look at my other time frames here and see that everything is all right, we got divergence long here. I've got momentum whipping around on me here, and then that does it on that. So let me go back to my other workspace now, and let me make sure this is the one I was on. Okay, yeah, right here. So I risked from 216 and a quarter to 214.50 here on it, and it still ain't out of the woods yet. Couldn't move back down against me. So we're watching that trade, and it's now moving against me. Now this is only $1.25 a tick. Now it's the reason I'm doing the video, it's the new E-mini whatever micro, where it's you only risk $5 a point. So every point's 4 ticks, and divide that by 5 by 4, and you get $1.25. So, and plus commissions, which is roughly $1 commissions on each trade. All right, I see that it may move on down and stop me out. It may not. We'll just have to wait and see here. I'm going to pause. I'll bring the clocks over so that you can see how much time has elapsed between pauses. Okay, I did make a mistake here. I didn't have my stop where I wanted it. It was 1 tick off, so I moved it down a tick on that. So let's and the profit target, it's plumb up there, but it'll be moved according to what I see as the price moves on here. If it even moves that direction. We'll pause again. Okay, I'm coming back into. Let me redo it again for you here. We're risking 8 ticks on this trade. 1.25 times 8 equals $10. Now we could add another dollar and something onto that we'll add another dollar on for commissions, we'll say, and then we'll add another $1.25 on for a slippage. That's 1.25, and we're risking roughly $12.25 on this trade here. Maybe a little less, unless it slips us more than a tick there as it moves up here. Now we're already up. We've risked 8 ticks, and we're already up 19 ticks on this. So we're 16, 17, jumping around there. So you can see the risk reward right now is 2 to 1 if you get out right this minute. Now I'm watching to see how well they're doing this, not only on this time frame but other time frames that I'm looking at. I can't put everything on one screen. It just won't fit where I can see it very well anyway. So we're continuing to move up here. We'll see how this works out, and we'll pause again. And you can see the price here. We're up $30 now. So we risked, what was it? I said $12.25, and we're up $27.50 there. We'll pause. Okay, like I said, it's been a while since I've done a recording. I had the wrong chart type up too on the left here, which you can use that, but it's really a little bit too fast for that. Put another chart type up here. This is a little slower right here, and then this is a little bit faster than this one here on this. So all right, that said, we'll pause again. All right, now I see some things here it's telling me otherwise, and again, I'm just going to move my stop up to right here, a little bit above break even, so I'll cover my commissions, and just let it ride now. It's a free trade for me, and we'll pause again and keep noting the time. I flip on and off here because I pause and come back later on. All right, we're going to watch this area right here, and this is up near the top of a level on my one of my higher time frames. So we'll see how this works out. I'm gonna go ahead and take profits here and call it a day, and it's only almost 10:30. So I see momentum weakening here. So I'm watching it to see. It's kind of back and forth. It's not really wanting to do anything. And this is an area where I will take profits if it. We'll see if it jumps on up there though. And the time is 10:28. Okay, making the video exceedingly long, so okay, it's well over a. Well, I wanted to just complete the video to keep making it long. It's kind of influencing my trade, but all right, we're testing the level here. You see, all right, here we go.
Target filled.
All right, we're going to call that on that right there and call it a video. There's one other thing, I don't know whether to mention it or not. No, I'll not mention it. It's another market. All right, that's well done. We risk, what was it? $12.20. Well, no, when $12.25 we said, even if we had some slippage, but maybe 13 and a quarter. Say $15 even. So we'll just say, it would never be $15, but let's just say it was $15 was risking. And what would we make? We made over $100 there, well over 100 divided by 15. That's 6.6 to 1 risk reward ratio on that, and it may continue on that, but we are up in an area where price fell before. But at any rate, that was a good trade example there. Just happened to work out. Hadn't done this in quite some time now, but I've been messing around with this here because people ask me about it and so forth. At any rate, y'all trade well out there.